Hello, all, and welcome back to this course. Actually, I hadn't uploaded the videos for a while, so now I'm going to complete this playlist, making a pro website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, we are going to make the fourth. We're going to head towards the fourth step of the website, which is to make an information section. Means why do you means you need to tell your users that why choose us. Every website has means a section named why choose us. You should tell them why to choose yourself. So the Visual Studio code is a bit hanged, or you can even use Sublime Text. I also prefer that. Really good code editor and lightweight too. Okay, now let's just click on go live, and now this will open our website on the internet. Actually, I don't know why it's taking a bit time. Okay, let's wait. It's starting. Yeah, okay. The server has started and it has opened it. Okay, so our website has loaded. We haven't added much to it yet, so we are going to modify that. Okay, now what we're going to do is put an information section over here. Right, we're gonna ignore this and we're gonna make a new section. uh Suggestions. Okay, if your PC is a bit busy in doing some other work, then the suggestions might not be shown up. So the name of this section is info. I will keep it info. Okay, and inside that section I'm right now going to just make another division, div dot, and call it paras. Okay, inside that I'm going to write paragraph and replicate it 2 times. Now here I'm going to give a class in here and name it as text big, and here I'm gonna make a class and name it as text small. Okay, here I'm going to write why why I educate. Okay, and gonna give question mark. Let's try saving, and this will reload again. Okay, why I educate. Don't worry, we can change the font later on. And here okay, why is education important? We'll write why is education important. Okay, and we'll randomly search on Google Chrome. Why is education important? Okay, let it load. Okay, yeah, it loaded. So education, we're gonna go on this site news24.com, and the link means the sites which I use are all the links are given in the description. The links to all sites are given in description. Okay, they're not letting us copy. That's not fair. Okay, uh gopeople.edu. This looks great. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm not gonna do that. Most of us, why is it don't know why they're showing me like this. Let's go back, and you can spend some time in searching. Okay, I'm not I'm okay, and here I'm going to over here and paste all the text. Okay, wait. Okay, now it's going out here. So to avoid that, you can just press Alt Z. Once you press Alt Z, it will not go out. Or simply go here and click Command Palette. Okay, and click Toggle World Wrap. But when I click it again, okay, now once you go here and again click Toggle World Wrap or use Alt Z, then it will happen. Now let's save this and go in iEducate. Okay, let me see. Okay, our information has been added. So now what we're going to do is we have added the information. Now below this division here we're going to create one more division. Okay, div dot thumbnail. We're going to create a division called thumbnail, and inside that we're going to write img. And okay, there is a one more cool website named source.unsplash.com. You must have heard the name source.unsplash.com. I will show how amazing it is. See, means you can search for a random term. That's really good. Good. Yeah. No. Where's the random term search? Yeah. This one is the random term search. When you include, okay, now I will just go here and paste this one. Now see, you will get a different image every time. Now you got this one, and okay. Now if I close this and paste it again, see, you will get a different one. See, you got a different one. So what we are going to do is here in the image we are going to and our size should be 100 by 100, and we want about suppose books and study, and the alternate text we're going to type education image. Okay, and we're going to save this and head towards iEducate. Let's see if 100 by 100 is okay, or to increase or decrease the size. Okay, we can basically increase the size, not 100. We can do 150. Okay, now let me explain UVS Code's multi-cursor functionality. Once suppose you have a cursor and you want to type here with the same time, so hold Alt and then select whatever you want, and then I'm going to make it 150. And when you click again, the multi-cursors are gone. I'm going to save this and let it load again. And once it loads, now it looks good. Now let's style this section. First of all, let's go here in our style.css, and here I'm going to style the section in. Okay, just erase it. Oh, dot info, and inside that what I'm going to do is, first of all, we need to make its margin auto. Margin should be auto, and Then we're going to make it display to the flex, and once we save it, then see now it's looking cool. Now it's looking really cool, and we can even set the font. Okay, now what we need to do is style the para, and we're gonna give a margin from top as 20 pixel. Let's see. Oh, huh. I was just amazed. How did it happen? Okay, just padding. We don't need much. Okay, I need padding. I don't know why is it taking time to load. Padding top 200. Let's try. Oh, it's not happening. Don't know why. Okay, it's only for we should give it as we should give this for the info section only. Oh, it's a bit. Yeah. No, we are going to give the padding top as 100. Now it's okay. We have done till here, and now to do more things, what you can do is just replicate this section and then paste it below. Okay, let's see how it looks, and now it will look really good. See, it looks like this. And now if you want it like that, then suppose these are our three sections and you want we'll do it as inf, and then go to style.css. I'll just erase this and copy this down. Okay, once I copy this down, I'll just do here and do inf. And here, when we do flex direction to be row reverse, then see what happens. See how good it looks. Yeah, it looks cool. And if we want to give a margin, okay, to the margin left. Okay, so this right, yeah, margin. Okay, here it should be margin left, margin right, sorry. And if you give it 30 pixel and save it, then CCC, and here I'll copy this line down and left, margin left to be 30 pixel. Then let's look. Yeah, that's amazing. I'll just copy these two lines and then paste it in this. Okay, it's gone blank. I'll just copy these two lines and paste them here too. Okay, yeah, now it looks cool. This is how you create the information section, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe it now so that you never miss an important update. And be tuned for the next videos. We are going to design the blog page, contact, about, and even we are going to make a contact form, so don't worry at all. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll meet in the next video.